Pinokio versus LM Studio. Which local AI platform suits you best? Choosing the right AI platform can transform your development process without relying on cloud services. Both offer unique features for local AI model deployment and management. Pinokio and LM Studio are powerful local AI platforms designed for running AI models on personal or enterprise hardware. The core difference lies in Pinokio's focus on customizable AI workflows, while LM Studio emphasizes user-friendly interfaces and streamlined model training. Pinokio is a local AI platform that enables developers and businesses to build, customize, and deploy AI models entirely on their own hardware. It works by offering a modular architecture where users can integrate various AI components, tailoring workflows to specific tasks. Pinokio excels in flexibility, allowing deep customization of AI pipelines, which is ideal for users with advanced AI knowledge or specialized requirements. Its strengths include robust local data privacy, no dependency on internet connectivity, and extensive support for different AI frameworks. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve and the need for technical expertise to fully leverage its capabilities. Pinokio is best suited for AI researchers, developers, and organizations prioritizing control over data and AI customization without cloud reliance. While it demands more setup and management, it offers unmatched adaptability for complex AI solutions. LM Studio is a local AI platform designed to simplify AI model development and deployment on personal or enterprise machines. It offers an intuitive graphical interface that streamlines training, fine-tuning, and managing AI models without extensive coding. LM Studio integrates popular AI frameworks and automates many routine tasks, making it accessible for users with moderate technical skills. Its strengths include ease of use, quick setup, and efficient resource management, enabling developers and creatives to focus on model performance rather than infrastructure. While LM Studio supports customization, it is less flexible than Pinokio when it comes to building complex AI pipelines. It is ideal for professionals, small teams, and creatives who want powerful local AI capabilities without deep technical overhead. The platform ensures data remains local, addressing privacy concerns, but trades off some advanced customization options for user-friendliness and speed of deployment. Comparing Pinokio and LM Studio reveals a trade-off between flexibility and simplicity. Pinokio is perfect for users who need highly customizable AI workflows and full control over their models, especially in environments where privacy and offline operation are critical. However, it requires more technical knowledge and setup time. LM Studio shines in scenarios where ease of use and rapid deployment are priorities, offering an accessible interface that lowers the barrier for AI adoption without cloud dependency. For example, a solo developer or small creative team might prefer LM Studio for fast prototyping, while an AI research group or enterprise with complex needs would benefit from Pinokio's modular design. Both platforms keep data local, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize control or convenience in your AI projects. Choose Pinokio if you require advanced AI customization, complete data control, and are comfortable managing complex local AI workflows on your own hardware. LM Studio is recommended for users seeking an easy-to-use local AI platform with quick setup and efficient model management. It balances power with simplicity, making it ideal for creatives and professionals who want strong AI capabilities without extensive technical demands.